Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. And here's how it is done. Access Shopify shipping settings. Log into your Shopify admin. Click settings. Select shipping and delivery. Add a shipping zone. Shipping zones define where you will ship products. Under shipping, click manage. Click create shipping zone. Name the zone, example, USA shipping. Select the countries or regions you will ship to. Click done. Set up shipping rates. Decide how you will charge for shipping. A. Free shipping or promotions or all orders. Click add rate. Name it free shipping. Set the price to $0. B. Flat rate. Fixed free for all orders. Click add rate. Set a fixed price. Example, $5.99 per order. C. Weight based or price based shipping. Click add rate. Select based on order weight or order price. Set price tiers. Example, orders over $50 get free shipping. Or save and test your setup. Click save after making changes. Test checkout to ensure the correct shipping rates appear. And that is everything you need to know about how to set up shipping on Shopify. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.